Hello everyone. Venus, the second planet from the Sun. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is often referred to as Earth's sister planet due to their similar size and mass. Named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty, Venus is a terrestrial planet with a dense atmosphere and a surface that is active with volcanoes. Physical characteristics: Venus is nearly as big as the Earth with a diameter of 12,104 km. It is thought to be made up of a central iron core, a rocky mantle, and a silicate crust. The planet has a mean radius of 6051.8 plus or minus 1 km and a mass of 4.87 into 10 power 24 kg, which is about 0.82 times that of Earth. Orbital characteristics: Venus orbits the Sun at a distance of 108,209,475 km, which is about 0.73 astronomical units. A year on Venus, which is the time it takes for the planet to complete one orbit around the Sun, is equivalent to 225 Earth days. Interestingly, a day on the surface of Venus, solar day, would appear to take 117 Earth days. This is because Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most other planets, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. Atmospheric conditions: the atmospheric pressure on Venus is 92 times greater than the Earth's. This dense atmosphere, composed of around 96.5% carbon dioxide, traps heat and causes a greenhouse effect. As a result, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system with an average surface temperature of 462 degrees Celsius. This extreme temperature is hot enough to melt lead. Visibility from Earth: Venus is the second brightest object in the night sky, only surpassed by the Moon. With a magnitude of between minus 3.8 to minus 4.6, Venus is so bright it can be seen during daytime on a clear day. Due to its orbit, Venus is always close to the Sun in Earth's sky and appears as either a morning star or an evening star. Exploration of Venus: the detailed study of Venus has been a focus of various space missions. In 2006, the Venus Express spacecraft was sent into orbit around Venus by the European Space Agency. These missions have provided valuable data about the planet's atmosphere, surface, and geological activity. In conclusion, Venus is a fascinating planet with many unique characteristics. Its similarity in size and structure to Earth, combined with its contrasting atmospheric conditions and surface temperature, make it a compelling subject of study in the field of planetary science. Thank you. Bye.